Good morning. Just wanted to show you how I make my green shake because it's a really nice spicy recipe. Let's start with some pre-washed greens, and I usually choose spinach because it lasts a little longer than the other kind of salad greens. And I just fill the blender, just not too tightly packed, but definitely full all the way to the top. And this is enough. It's like a meal for 2 people. And then I add water up about slightly over half or half. And there goes the first blend. And the next ingredient I usually put in is cucumber, and I put in about this much. And 1 tomato. 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, depending on how spicy you like it. This is raw garlic, so it's quite spicy. And then about a chunk of ginger that's going to be chopped up as well, so I'll just peel it first. And that's the second blend. My favorite apples are Gala, Fuji, Braeburns, and if you want something more tart, a Granny Smith apple. And a nice avocado. Turmeric powder, very good for inflammation and great for your health. So I usually put in a heaping spoon of it, and some sea salt, some cayenne pepper. If you don't like the feeling of raw garlic, but you still want some spice, the cayenne pepper is enough. This vibrational greens product from Fred Shadian. It's a wonderful greens powder because it actually dissolves really well in water, so you can have it just water and doesn't have to be blended with your shake. Lots of quality ingredients. And the last blend. And this makes 2 giant mason jars full of yummy, spicy green shake. I hope you try it and enjoy it.